What it do, my peeps? We are back with another wig review. This one is from the Perfect Hairline series from Outre, and I have her Julianne, and it's in the deep color red. Yes, honey. Look how pretty this box is. They make their boxes so pretty. I love it. Let's get Miss Julianne out of this box, honey. Look at those curls. Oh, that red velvet. Look at that black and that burgundy. Honey, that is so pretty. Look at the curl pattern on there. Yes, honey. That lace ain't that bad either. Oh my God, look at the curls. That is so pretty. All right, so let's get into this cap construction. There are two combs up front. There is a comb in the back. There are adjustable straps. And then you have that 13x6 parting area just right at the top of your head with that invisible lace. She got some little baby hairs up there. And I didn't notice they have the band in the back. So yes, honey, for extra stretchability, this is big head friendly. But honey, I'm just admiring those curls, honey. Oh my God, there's our stock card for Miss Julianne. 13x6 lace parting area, HD transparent lace. And like I said, I have her in the color DRFF red velvet. So now let's try her on and see what we're working with, honey. Look at the curls. I mean, how many times can I say that? Them curls are hitting. Yes. Ooh, okay. Slay right out the box, honey. Yes. Let's get this lace around my ears. See what we working with, honey. Okay. Ooh, yes. That is ear to ear, definitely. I'm going to come up closer so you guys can see that. See? Goes perfectly over my ear. Yeah, that's really pretty. And that lace is soft, you guys. It's a soft lace, which is great. And just showing you the other side. Well, let's see what we can get her done. Bring her to the front. Yes, honey. And all right, so now I'm just trying to see how far you can part her over before you lose your lace parting area there. So I'm just trying to see middle part, right part, left part. Trying to see where I can part her at. Yeah, so like I said, you got a 13x6 parting area at the top. So you can part her where you want, left part, right part, middle part. She's cute either way you part her, which is always a plus. All right, so I'm gonna let y'all keep watching and then I'll be back. All right, guys, so as you will see here, I'm starting to cut off the lace, and you want to not just go straight across. You want to go kind of back and forth so you kind of get a jagged edge when you're cutting off the lace. Lace is pretty good, but I still got to put some powder up in there for it to match my skin. Alright guys, so I'm going to put some of my powder foundation that I put on my face onto my wig cap. I use the Bare Minerals and I use Truffle 29. So I'm going to use some of this and put it inside of that wig cap to make it match my skin just a little bit more. Alright guys, so I'm going to attempt to put out a little hair and do a little baby hair, because in cutting the lace off, I cut my little baby hairs off. I don't really think that the unit really needs it. It's kind of, if you want it there, you can. I mean, it's kind of up to you. It's kind of up to folks' preference. It's cute, yay or nay, with or without it. So, up to you. So here I'm just adding a little bit more powder to the outside to try to blend it in a little bit more with my skin and my hair. So that's what you will see me doing here. And I did not use the freeze spray to glue this wig down because I was not going nowhere. But if I was going to be going out, I would use some of that got to be glue spray and freeze it down. But since I'm just in the house and it's just for the review, I'm just not doing that part. All right, let's get to the end of this review. My sweets, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here with another wig review, you guys. Honey, is it hot where you at? Because it's hot as hell, okay? You see me with my little bralette on today, honey. I am all things hot besides this hot ass cute unit. Ew, yes, honey. We're going to have to get into this today. And I see that I have some new sweets that have joined the club, honey. Yes, you are here for some slays, honey. We got cooking. We got pranks. I still ain't been able to do my hauls, y'all, but it's all good, though. We got wig reviews. We got them infused strawberries, honey. Come on, subscribe, come in with us and sit down and take a nap and see what the hell I'm gonna do one day, okay? But no, y'all, we gonna get into this wig today. So this is another one, y'all. Honey, do you see that red? Girl. Y'all, this is the Perfect Hairline. This is from Outre. This is Julianne. And I have her in the color DRFF Red Velvet. She is sexy, y'all. Yes, honey. And the texture of the hair, I just love. It's like that soft, kind of thick yaki, but it's that pretty tight yaki, okay? Not that nappy, not that too silky. You know, this look like I just got a fresh blowout, honey. Yes, what? And the parting space is kind of really like from here to here. So you can kind of part her kind of where you want, kind of wear it in the middle, or get you a little left part, a little right part, kind of whatever you kind of feeling, honey. And you know, she just goes right back into place, little finger comb. Yes, okay. She did have some little baby hairs, but I kind of cut them off. I mean, I did a little something on the side, but I don't really feel like she really needs the baby hairs. To me, she's pretty as is, okay? You know, if you want to be doing all that baby hairs and stuff, well, more power to you. I did not lay her down because I'm not going nowhere, and this is a hot wig, okay? I'm sitting here with this hot ass ring light, and it's hot as hell, but the unit is fire though. You know, this is like a fall type hair look, okay? I wouldn't wear her right now because you're going to be all types of sweating, honey, okay? But she is fire for going out on a date night in the fall. And I'm gonna turn around for y'all. Yes. All that beautiful. She's nice and full. Yes, honey. I love it. This is one that you can pick up in every color. I think I'm gonna go back and buy her in like a #1. Cause you know, I could wear her to work and I could, you know, maybe slay her, you know, put a little something at the top or something, you know, something real cute. Yes, honey. She can be worn in multiple ways and even like a cute little ponytail or something, you know. Something cute, put on quick and kind of go. And that lace is really good. I put some of that powder up on there. So you can see it right up in there. I'm sweating, y'all. I told you it's hot than a motherfucker, and this wig is hot. But like I said, the wig is fire. But it's hot as hell, y'all. Woo! But I ain't complaining, honey. But this is a cute little drip. I will leave all the links and everything below in the description box so y'all can go cop her. There's a few different sites that are still selling her. And like I said, I'm going to go back and get another one in a different color. So they've got some really good, cute little colors, but I think I'm just going to get another #1 since I got this one in a color already. So yes, y'all. So that is about it for this review, y'all. Like I said, this is cute. Go cop her. Go get her. Very big head friendly. Like I said, the texture is beautiful. You would love the texture. It's so soft and so pretty, and then them curls just come right back. It's like, yes, honey, look at that. They come right back, honey. Boom, bam. You looking like a whole snap. Yes. All right, my sweets, I got some more coming for you. So if you have not subscribed, like I said, go ahead, subscribe. We are here for some different things. We're gonna have some fun, y'all. And nobody won the giveaway. Nope, I still got that drip. So I will link a link above to that review so you can go and try to get you a free unit. So just saying. And if I don't get anybody that wins, then I'm just going to put it on my site to sell. And we'll kind of go from there. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the love. Thank you so much. And I'll see you next time. Bye.